powered by almost 400 horsepower, making it without question the most high-performance aerobatic biplane in the world today. Right now, climbing skyward for another of his signature maneuvers. It's called the double hammerhead. Right now, 0 forward airspeed and hard full left rudder as Sean completes not one, but 2 consecutive hammerhead turnarounds. Our air show season began in the middle of March in Riverside, California, and it will conclude at the end of October in Fort Worth, Texas. In that time, Sean will have performed at more than 19 events all across North America in front of a total of more than 8 million air show fans. In that time, this aircraft will accumulate approximately 350 hours of flight time, and it will traverse more than 25,000 miles of distance all across North America. Just this season alone, this aircraft has been as far southeast as Daytona Beach, Florida. It has been as far northeast as Portsmouth, New Hampshire, as far northwest as Seattle, Washington, and then of course the most southwestern we've come this year is right here in San Diego. Back to our home base in Salinas, California, where it will be completely dismantled to get ready for the 2012 air show season.